Differentials levels valve. Application. The differentials levels valve is configured for above water mounting and gives differentials levels. 1. Pump-fed large reservoirs that allows for a single level or variable minimum and maximum levels to avoid pump restart frequently. 2. Mains and gravity-fed large storage tanks or reservoirs that allows for variable minimum and maximum water levels to keep your tank fresh. 3. Rainwater harvesting as a backup water supply control valve, providing a backup supply of water in the event of demand exceeding rainfall. How it works. The differentials levels valve will be closed when the water level reaches the water limited line. When the water level falls down, the valve will remain closed until the bottom float is exposed. The valve will then open and remain open until the maximum level is reached. Specifications. Available sizes: 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, 1 inch, 1 and 1/4 inch, 1 1/2 inch, 2 inch and 2 1/2 inch. Working pressure 0.2 to 10 bar. Temperature range 1 to 80 Celsius. Flow rate: the water flow reaches 150 to 400 liter per minute at 8 bar water pressure.